Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In relation to the last video where we discussed about how to protect an Excel file, now in this video I'll be showing you that how you can protect the Excel workbook. So let us start. So now here I'm having one Excel workbook and I want to protect this Excel workbook so that people cannot do any major changes over here. So now here what we have to do that if we want to protect the workbook, then I will show you two methods by which we can protect the workbook. So the first method is that I have to go to the review tab here. So we go to the review tab, and in the review tab you can see these two buttons here. One is protect sheet and another one is known as protect workbook. Just now we'll be talking about the protect workbook, and in the next video I'll be talking about how to protect the sheet. So I will click this protect workbook, and now it is asking me the password. So here I'll be giving the password. Just for example purpose I'm giving one simple password 12345, and now here it says protect workbook for structure or windows. Now Windows we cannot do anything here, but yeah, we'll go with the structure here. So I click on OK button. Again it is asking me to enter the password. So 12345. I click on OK button, and now my workbook is protected. Now what does it mean? So see here I'm having one sheet that is known as protection sheet. Now suppose if I want to create here another sheet, you see that I cannot click this plus sign here. It is disabled for me, and definitely if I send this file to my colleague will also not be able to click this plus sign, so they cannot create any new worksheet here. Now suppose if I right click here on this protection, when I right click here you can see that I cannot insert, delete, rename, move or copy. I cannot apply any tab color here. I cannot hide, I cannot unhide. So all these options are locked here. So this is the advantage of protecting a workbook, that the person cannot delete this sheet over here, they cannot create a new sheet, they cannot move or copy, they cannot hide, they cannot unhide, nothing can be done here. They will just be able to play with this particular sheet. They can definitely type over here, that is fine, but they cannot delete this particular sheet. If I right click over here, I cannot just click the delete button. So this is the advantage of protecting the workbook. Now suppose if I want to remove that protection, then again I have to go to this review tab. I have to click this button protect workbook, and now it will ask me password. So I'll write down here simple password 12345 which I've given. I click on OK button, and now my workbook is not protected. See, if I click here plus sign, I can get here sheet 1. Suppose if I right click on this protection sheet, I can now here insert, rename, delete, move or copy, tab color, hide, unhide. I can do everything here. So now my workbook is not protected. So this is one button here which you can find in the review tab. Now another option for protecting the workbook is over here, that you go to the file tab. In the file tab you go to this info, and in the info you are having this same button that we saw earlier in the last video. If you have not seen the last video, then I'm putting the link on the top of this video. Please check out the last video where I'm discussing about how to protect an Excel file. So I click this same button here, protect workbook, and now here we are having one option that is known as protect workbook structure. So I click this option, and now here also I'm getting the same window. These are the two options that you are having if you want to protect the workbook. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you how to protect the worksheet, because a workbook is consisting of various worksheets. So suppose if I want to protect a particular worksheet, then how we can do it. So that we'll see in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.